Welcome back.
Welcome back to the Crazy Worm Lady.
We're
you want
here.
to go out my worms?
Look at that sprout sticking up out of your worm bin.
Yeah, there's a lot of sprouts here.
Crazy. Let's check it out. Go. All right.
There's a sprout sticking up.
How many sprouts do you have?
3. And there's 4.
Yeah, I see 1.
And
Look at that.
2 and 3
And
4.
2 and 3. Oh, there's another one down here. And 4. Man, must be some healthy soil that your worms are making. All right, let's dig in and see if you can find your wormies. Watch your head. Lean down a little bit so you can get closer so you can see, honey. Lean down.
Look at this worm.
Oh, is there some worms down in there? You are right.
Yeah, I'm smart.
You are smart. All right, let's. Ooh, I see wormies.
How about we get?
Let's see.
How about there's a little good ball that you can peel?
Well, this bin doesn't have very many worms in it, so I don't expect to have really a full ball, but look at that. What is that right? Let me pull this over. What is that right there?
Oh, it's
A what?
a cocoon.
A cocoon. So that means they must be happy. They're trying to make some babies for you to have even more wormies in here, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want to check this wormy out right here? Pick him up. Oh, you're right. Pick it up.
Yeah, he's very healthy.
Hold on, let me pick him up for you. Carefully. Where is he going?
He's right there.
He's trying to run away. Here you go, little buddy. Why don't you go say hi? Oh, okay. I can't see you. Put your hands down here. Put him down. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. So
Hello,
last
buddy.
week we did not feed this bin because there were still some strawberry, the tops of the strawberries, the green stems, and this is a very small
Mom,
bin.
this worm is freaking out.
We didn't want to overload it, so we kind of left it for another week to let them work. There had also been a little bit of mold, so I just felt like I'd overdone it prior. So we left them for another week, and I think that was a good call.
Oh, Mom, look at this baby worm.
Maybe they had some cocoons in there that hatched, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. You checking them out?
Yeah.
They were all kind of down here, so there must be something yummy down there. But I think we'll probably be able to feed them today. What do you think?
Good.
Think we can feed them today?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think definitely. Just trying to turn it all up to see. Oh, I dropped a little guy right here. I don't want him to fall.
Mom,
There we go.
look at this worm.
They're looking so good.
I think there's a grub too popped out.
I don't see any grubs or anything in here. But what I like to see is that the bottom here is nice and dry. There's nothing standing. It doesn't appear to be muddy or anything, which tells me that our moisture is really at a good spot right now. So that's excellent. So we're going to find a little bit of something to pop in here to feed them for today. I don't think we're going to add any more bedding at this time because this bin is very small. So we're probably just going to add a little feeding down here and then cover it back up.
Wait.
And that way,
Mom,
as they break down
there's
this
a worm
cardboard,
climbing on the wall.
that's okay. We'll have a little bit more room.
Look, Mom,
for
look
them
at
to
this
grow in
worm
here.
climbing on the wall.
Yeah, they're climbing all down here on the bottom and on the wall. All right, let me go see what I can get for them to eat, and you can help me add it into the bin. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna have my helper here grab the eggshells for me. Can you pick up the eggshells for me and get about a tiny little scoop? They're right up here. I want you to get just like a half a scooper full, not a whole lot.
2 or 3 or 4 or
Nope,
5.
not super full, just a little bit. That's good. And then just kind of sprinkle it over here, actually, because we're gonna put some food down there. That's a lot, but that'll work. We take our eggshells after we make eggs in the morning. We dry them out, rinse them out, dry them out, and then we powder them up in an old spice grinder. and then we just keep them in here. That calcium helps encourage the worms to reproduce, helps balance your pH, and acts as a form of grit for the worms, which they need to break down the food that they eat. So we have a frozen piece of banana. That's why I really cleared all the worms out from down here, because I didn't want to hurt any of them. But it's a very big feeding for such a tiny little bin. So I'm gonna ask.
Right there.
Hold on, honey. We don't want to move the worms over here because this is a cold piece of food. Can you set this down here in the bottom? Set it down carefully into the bottom right here, away from your wormies. There we go. And I'm gonna let this sit in here for about, I don't know, an hour or so until it fully thaws out. And then I'm just gonna pull some of these castings up over the top. And then we'll leave them probably for about a week or two, and then we will come back and check in, maybe even midweek, check in to kind of see if we have any sort of worm ball going on over here. So thank you for joining us today. Please like this video, drop your comments below, subscribe if you want some more content from us. Say we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.